Today, I'll walk you through how to start a blog with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a blog using Notion's templates so you can share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page. Simply open your web browser and go to the Notion website. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace ready for action. Next, look for the plus sign on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to open a new page. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice an option for templates. Click on that to explore the various templates available. Now let's find the blog templates. Click on the templates option, which will take you to a marketplace filled with different templates to choose from. This is where the fun begins, as you can find a design that resonates with your blogging style. In the search bar, type blog. This will filter the templates specifically for blogging. Take your time to browse through the options. You might find a layout that perfectly suits your vision for your blog. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to see more details. This will give you a preview of what the template looks like and how it can be customized. Now, to add the template to your workspace, click the plus sign labeled Add. This will integrate the template into your left pane, making it easily accessible whenever you want to create a new blog post. Once the template appears in your sidebar, click on it. You can now edit the template based on your preferences. Feel free to change colors, fonts, and layouts to make it truly yours. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates its interface regularly, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a blog using Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.